this video, I will show you how to add music to IG story. Firstly, you need to take up and select your plus icon on your right upper side right over there, and then select story side. And when you get up here, you need simply to take over and select whatever you want, for example this one, and then simply tap on the second side on that sticker selection, scroll down and find out the music section. Then you can simply choose the music which is related into your interest. For example, for me it is this one. Just go hear it if you want, and then simply tap on it, select the part which is also for you the most side lift. You can simply, I will just take down the media section, and now as you can see guys, we have done it, and I will just go to your story, and this is for that video.